need to expose your FastAPI endpoints to LLM clients while keeping your existing REST API intact. We'll generate an MCP server that automatically converts your endpoints into MCP tools by default, then mount it alongside your original API. You'll see how to use FastMCP's route mapping to create a dual interface application where human developers use standard REST endpoints, while LLM clients interact through MCP-compatible tools at a dedicated /MCP path. Hash assumes the FastAPI app from above is already defined. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. From FastAPI, import FastAPI. Hash 1, generate MCP server from your API. MCP equals FastMCP. From FastAPI, app equals app, name equals e-commerce MCP. Hash 2, create the MCP's ASGI app. MCP app equals MCP. HTTP app, path equals /MCP. Hash 3, create a new FastAPI app that combines both sets of routes. Combined app equals FastAPI. Title equals e-commerce API with MCP. Routes equals MCP app, routes hash MCP routes. App routes, hash original API routes. Lifespan equals MCP app, lifespan. Hash now you have. Hash regular API, HTTP //localhost 8000 /products. Hash LLM friendly MCP, HTTP //localhost 8000 /MCP. Hash both served from the same FastAPI application. This demonstrates the parallel interface pattern, where a single FastAPI application serves both traditional REST endpoints and MCP-compatible tools through distinct route prefixes. The key concept is automatic API conversion. FastMCP introspects your existing FastAPI routes and transforms them into MCP components, with each endpoint becoming an MCP tool by default for maximum LLM compatibility. The pattern works through declarative adaptation rather than code duplication. FastMCP analyzes your OpenAPI schema to generate MCP tools that mirror your API's functionality, while route mapping rules, including custom route map objects, let you specify different MCP component types for different endpoints. The combined ASGI application then merges both routing systems under one process, with the MCP interface mounted at a dedicated path prefix following standard ASGI mounting conventions. This approach solves the LLM integration problem without requiring separate services or protocol translation layers. You maintain one codebase while offering optimized interfaces for both human developers and MCP-compatible LLM clients. The trade-off is the initial conversion setup, but the benefit is unified deployment, consistent behavior between interfaces, and the ability to customize the MCP tool generation through route mapping rules when needed. Let's break it down. Hash assumes the FastAPI app from above is already defined. This assumes your FastAPI application instance already exists. FastMCP from FastAPI automatically converts all endpoints into MCP tool components by default, ensuring compatibility with MCP supporting LLM clients. The path isolation at /MCP follows standard ASGI mounting conventions, keeping MCP routes distinct from your REST API. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. From FastAPI, import FastAPI. Imports FastMCP for converting FastAPI endpoints into MCP-compatible tools, defaulting to MCP tool type for maximum LLM client compatibility. The FastAPI import extends the existing application to combine traditional HTTP routes with MCP interfaces, enabling dual-mode operation from a single server instance. This setup allows custom route mapping via route map objects while maintaining standard ASGI mounting patterns at /MCP.
#1. Generate MCP server from your API. MCP equals FastMCP. From FastAPI, app equals app, name equals e-commerce MCP.
This generates an MCP server instance by introspecting your FastAPI app, automatically converting every endpoint into an MCP tool by default. The From FastAPI class method preserves your existing OpenAPI schema while adding MCP protocol support, creating LLM-compatible tools that follow the MCP specification. You can customize root to MCP type mapping later using root map objects if needed.
#2. Create the MCP's ASGI app. MCP app equals MCP. HTTP app path equals /MCP.
This creates the ASGI application for the MCP server at the /MCP path prefix, following standard ASGI mounting patterns. By default, FastMCP converts every FastAPI endpoint into an MCP tool type, ensuring compatibility with LLM clients that support the MCP protocol. The path isolation prevents root conflicts while maintaining a clean separation between traditional REST endpoints and MCP-optimized tool interfaces.
Combined app equals FastAPI. Title equals e-commerce API with MCP.
This creates a new FastAPI instance that merges both standard REST routes and MCP endpoints. The title explicitly identifies this as a dual-interface API, serving both human clients through traditional endpoints and LLM clients through MCP tools. By default, FastMCP converts every endpoint into an MCP tool type, ensuring immediate compatibility with MCP supporting LLM clients while preserving all original root functionality.
Now you have. #regular API. HTTP //localhost 8000/products.
The original API endpoints remain fully operational at their existing paths. FastMCP automatically converts each endpoint into an MCP tool by default, ensuring compatibility with LLM clients that support the MCP protocol. This preserves your REST interface while adding MCP capabilities at /MCP without modifying your core business logic. FastAPI plus MCP dual interface pattern. The code demonstrates FastMCP's core integration pattern, where a single FastAPI application serves both traditional REST endpoints and MCP protocol interfaces, with the MCP routes mounted under /MCP using standard ASGI mounting. By default, FastMCP converts every endpoint into an MCP tool component type, ensuring maximum compatibility with LLM clients that support the MCP protocol, while route map objects allow customizing this behavior for specific routes. The combined application's lifespan must explicitly include the MCP server's lifespan context to properly initialize session management.
The endpoint that answers every request becomes the tool that needs no name.